Hello everyone and welcome to Plate It. I'm Mark and today we're making beef kebabs. Let me get right into it. I want to go ahead and show you the ingredients. Of course we're going to need some beef and we're using beef sirloin today. You can certainly use like a flank steak, maybe like on the steak bites. When you make steak bites, if you look on our channel you'll see that recipe. You can use the flank steak or you can use a sirloin. You can even use a ribeye. But this is pretty much what I would use as a sirloin. And you'll see that in your grocery store or at your butcher as well. So I just cut them up into small chunks and they've got a little fat in here too, so they're not gonna dry out. That's very important. Okay, and then what we're gonna do today right now, the first step is we're gonna marinate them. And what we marinate them with is teriyaki sauce. Teriyaki, this is an island blend teriyaki marinade and sauce. It's very simple, tastes like homemade, that's why I chose it. You'll find this everywhere as well. It's got pineapple in it, it's garlic, sesame seed, soy sauce, which is predominant, and then the onion. So this is really gonna give it a really good flavor and tenderize this meat. So we're gonna marinate that real quick. And then after that, what you do is you put on your skewers what you really want to put on them, but we're using peppers, different tricolor peppers here. The red, the yellow, the orange. And then we're gonna use a red onion and so top it off with some tomatoes at the tip. And over here, you can see that we're gonna be using wooden skewers. You can use metal skewers as well. With the wooden skewers, they're disposable, so just soak them first so they don't burn when you have them on the grill, because tomorrow when we show you this, we're gonna be on the grill. So we're gonna soak them here overnight, and then we're gonna put everything and assemble it together on the stick. And that's about it right now. Thank you for watching our channel. We appreciate that. Give us a thumbs up if you like this, and leave a comment. The next step right here is we're gonna be using the teriyaki to marinate. So we're gonna cover it. So we just use the whole bottle. And again, you can, the smell, I wish you could smell this, is the soy sauce, the sesame, the garlic, the pineapple. All these ingredients together is gonna make this kebab delicious. So we're gonna cover this and let this marinate at least 6 hours.